Hi guys, this is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and today's topic is Suzuki's SV650's ergonomics. In this short video I will try to explain if Suzuki SV650 is comfortable enough for a 6'1" or 185 centimeters tall rider. I will show you why I think that this naked bike is a bit more comfortable than the others, and I will also show you my position on the bike, so you will get some useful information if you are about to buy this bike or maybe any other naked comparable to this one.
From the Cycle Ergo webpage, it is clear that Kawasaki Ninja 650 it's a little bit more cramped. Knee angle it's 73 degrees and the forward lean it's 11 in comparison to Suzuki's that is forward lean 9 and knee angle 74. Yamaha MT-07 as a comparable bike has a little bit better knee angle, that is 77 degrees in comparison to Suzuki's 74 degrees, but it has a more forward lean sitting position, that is 10 degrees in comparison to Suzuki's that is 9 degrees. I was sitting also on Honda CB650R, that is a 4-cylinder bike and may not be a direct competitor to Suzuki SV650, but I have to say that I felt a little bit more cramped than on Suzuki SV650, especially in terms of the foot pegs position.
Foot pegs are really a bit lower, so that's why the knee angle it's better. Bars are let's say high enough that you don't get too much pressure on your hands, and seat it's low, it's less than 800 centimeters, I think exactly 785 millimeters, but because of the lower foot pegs, sitting position is more than okay for my height, considering that this is a naked bike, sure. So, regarding the ergonomics of Suzuki SV650, from my point of view, it's a bit better in terms of ergonomics in comparison with other bikes that I just mentioned. Is the best solution for anybody in search of a naked bike or any other bike to try it, to sit on, if it is appropriate or not. Thanks for watching. This is all. See you next time. Like, share, subscribe.